Hello everyone, my name is Andran Taufik. Today I'm going to present our case study research entitled Scrum Evaluation to Increase Software Development Project Success, a case study of digital banking company. This presentation is divided into four sections. First, introductions and problem identification. Second, theories and methodologies. Next, result and recommendation. And lastly, the conclusions of this research that consists of the implication of research, the research limitations, and the future work. The development of information technology has an impact on changes and demand for software. The industry of bank also has been affected and has started to consider the digital banking as their strategy. The digital banking trends continue to increase and have a chance to improve the overall performance of an organization. The research object is the pioneer of digital banking in Indonesia and now is competing with other banks since they have also started offering their own digital bank. In the earlier meeting, the head of digital banking in the research object announced that the organizations had to gain a competitive advantage as much as possible by delivering features in shorter time. Research objects adopt Scrum as software development method combined with Kanban, DevOps, and Scrum of Scrum. We gather delivery data for several sprints based on comparison of the development team's commitment to the result delivered at the end of the sprint. In this table, sprint goals achieved is when the team accomplishes all the tasks they committed, and the sprint goals failed is when the team didn't deliver any tasks at the end of the sprint. And this can lead to delays delivery time, as they tend to focus on tasks that are carried over from previous sprint over accomplish new tasks given. Some features that will be released to the productions or to users must obtain prior approval from Bank of Indonesia and or from Financial Service Authority (OJK). It usually requires a long time to obtain approval from both organizations. So, in order to deliver as planned that the features must be ready and tested before launching that. To deliver on time to gain competitive advantage as stated by stakeholders, it can be categorized as benchmark of the success of a project. Next, we proceed into the theory used in this research. The first is Scrum. Scrum has been adopted by many organizations to develop their product, including software. The definition of Scrum consists of the Scrum roles, Scrum events, and Scrum artifacts. Scrum teams deliver products iteratively and incrementally, and each Scrum team consists of one product owner, one Scrum Master, and the development team. Next, we have Scrum events. Scrum has prescribed events that are time-boxed, except the sprint itself as the container of the other events. events are designed to enable transparency, inspection, and adaptation. And the last, the Scrum artifacts revision work to provide transparency and opportunities for inspection and adaptation. At first, to measure a project's success, it can be seen in terms of project delivery, cost, and meet the scope given, or we know it as iron triangle or triple constraint. The benchmark of project success is now not just by referring to the iron triangle. Recent studies state that project can be set success when it achieves its goals, even though it is over budget or failed to meet the scope given. We use literature review for this paper, and we have four previous relevant papers. The case study conducted in one of bank that offers digital banking service in Indonesia. We use secondary data that was captured from the organization's report, and we collect the velocity chart of 8 development teams in the range of 9 sprints from January to April 2020. The literature review process has identified 5 Scrum problems that lead to the late delivery time. First is the Scrum lacks of self-organizing team. Self-organizing team choose how to accomplish the task in their best way, and it will avoid the micromanagement issues. Scrum is based on people concept, and self-organizing is one of the crucial criteria that a team must have. Next problem is the Scrum team lack of cross-functionality. Besides self-organization, the Scrum team's criteria is cross-functional. It means that the team has all competencies or skills it needed to accomplish the work without too much outside help. The third, change in the middle of process. Change is normal and can't be denied. The resistance of change will affect sprint delivery, but the team should analyze the change and make sure that the change itself would not endanger the sprint. The fourth problem is wide scope or potential scope creep. When change occurs, the scope needs to be redefined. If the change is not controlled well, it may cause the late delivery as the iterations will continuously inject of new or unplanned work. And the last problem is bad plan testing stage. It caused by when the requirement change, the team only focus on what has changed, but the changes are not documented well, and it can cause delay on delivery as they will make adjustments in testing schedules. In this section, we have identified 8 Scrum solutions to the execution problem that has explained before. First, when teams have a problem during self-organizations, first, team should support and encourage individuals to choose how they get the job done on their own. Besides, to avoid being directed too much by outside team, the team will have a sense as they are the owner of what they are working on. The solutions to the team that lack of cross-functionality is the dev team should conduct best practices and not depend too much on outside help. Take more time when the team is handling new problems or new architectures. Being helped by others may ease the team to accomplish their work, but it will create a volatile dependency. The absence of outside help will affect the sprint delivery as the team doesn't have the skills needed to accomplish the task. And the change in the middle of process, the first solutions is to analyze the change that will affect the sprint. The scope and priority need to be defined. And the second solution, when the team have finished analyze the change should be immediately addressed based on the priority level, so the team can handle the change and deliver the shippable product at the end of the sprint. For the fourth problem, we have identified three solutions that can be addressed. Those are: first, the Scrum team needs to analyze the requirement at the start and create a plan on how long the development will take. The second is to break down the task into smaller and more manageable parts. It will reduce the chance of unfinished tasks at the end of sprint that has to be carried on upcoming sprint. And the third solution is to create a release plan and review it regularly to accommodate and to help the team manage or ordering the change by priority level. The last problem, bad plan testing stage. The solution to this problem is to conduct in-depth requirement analysis. When the change occurs, the team should prepare and re-evaluate the test case. So, when the testing schedule comes, they will focus on testing instead of preparing documentations because of undocumented changes. Based on the result, we have identified 5 Scrum execution problems in IT project that leads to the late delivery, and 8 proposed recommendations to be addressed to the research object so the sprints can be executed better and avoid late delivery. The general definition of project success, if it is aligned with the business strategy and stakeholders' criteria, even though the project itself is overcost or doesn't meet the pre-described scope at the start of project. And the implications of this research, we provide solutions to the research object so they can execute sprint better and meet the stakeholders' criteria to deliver features to user in shorter time. The limitations of this research are there is still limited numbers of study on how Scrum adopt as the IT project software development method in the digital banking industry. Moreover, in this research, we only use Scrum velocity chart and didn't include other methodologies that are adopted by the research object. The future works recommendations might conduct research in digital banking industry with a broader scope and not just by and not just based on velocity chart. Then, how other methodologies affect the Scrum sprint delivery. This is the end of presentations. Thank you for your attention.